blackout and snowstorm caused dozens of car crashes. A power outage coincided with a snowstorm in Reykjavik yesterday afternoon, leading to traffic chaos. A number of central neighborhoods experienced blackouts due to a high-voltage breakdown, while at the same time, motorists braved the storm with little help from malfunctioning traffic lights. What happened is that it snowed a lot in a very short amount of time. The snow got compressed down and became very slippery. Árni Friðleifsson of the Reykjavík Metropolitan Police told Árni. Around 30 traffic accidents had been reported to roadside assistance firm Arekstur when RUV contacted them in the late afternoon. "We've dispatched all our cars and the traffic is completely halted," said Arekstur CEO Kristján Kristjánsson. By evening, power had been restored. The rush hour traffic cleared up as traffic lights came back on and the storm cleared.